Hello, beautiful ladies of my heart. Welcome, welcome. Yes, it is Prime Day, today and tomorrow. I'm not feeling too good. I think I'm getting a chest cold, or it's from the smoke when we were up camping. I'm not sure, but just bear with me. I did not want to miss Prime Day. Okay, let me tell you what I do on Prime Days. I put in my basket or in my wish list things that I buy all the time to see if they will be a Prime Day deal. Let me tell you what I found, and I'll list everything in the description below right today so that you can get to it and you still have it tomorrow. So, I had put my Anastasia of Beverly Hills, their Brow Wiz, in my cart, and when I looked, it was a Prime Day deal. It'll show you when you're looking at something, it'll have it in red that it is a Prime Day deal, a Prime Big Deal. Okay? So that was a keeper. It was $25 and I got it for $15. Then I absolutely love this Grand Lash. I think it's absolutely fantastic mascara, but it's expensive. It's like $25. So I got that one for $17.50. I purchased my staple, my wonderful Ultra Sheer 60 SPF. Now this was interesting. It says it was a big Prime Day deal. It was regularly $21.32 and it was now $11.58. I swear I've always paid only $11.58. Maybe I've only got it when it was on sale. I don't know, but it's a good price and it's excellent for under foundation. Then I love these under eye patches. There's 60 pieces, 24 karat gold, mask puffy eyes and dark circles. See right here? It is $6.98, regularly $14.99. So as I said, I'll list everything in the links below. I'm a little under the weather. And then I love this by Rock. These right here. They are exfoliating makeup pad removers for wrinkles and skin tone. There's 28 count, but they're on sale for 79 cents for $7.99, regularly $9.99. Okay, so it says 22% people have claimed this. And then I love these. And they're in my subscribe and save as well. These are the Clean Skin Club towels, extra large, 100%, blah, blah, blah. But they're right here. They're regularly $17.95, so I got a box of 50 for $14.36, and I use those often. And none of this... So this is kind of off the makeup and skincare. This is a wall outlet extender with surge protector. Now, I love these. I have a lot of things to plug in, and I like the little shelf up there to be able to put my Fitbit up there to charge. And this is regularly $18.99. I got it for $9.99. I mean, who can have too many outlets? And I like that it's a surge protector as well. Okay, and this right here. Now, COSRX has a bunch of other products on sale today, so that's the time to buy them. I love COSRX, and I'll put a few of my favorites in there, but this really caught my eye here because I really wanted to try their cleanser, and I wanted to try their Snail Peptide eye cream. So buying it in a kit like this is a great way to try new things. And it's $30 and it's on sale for $16.99. So I think this one is definitely a keeper. There are influencers out there that they have enough subscribers. I think you have to have 20,000 subscribers in order to build an Amazon shop, so that all of this stuff I would know beforehand when it was going to be released, so that I wouldn't have to put everything in my wish list and in my cart. Someday, maybe I'll get there. So I will be back tomorrow with more Prime Day deals. Don't miss it. I love you. I hope I feel better.